Hey guys, it's Greg at Vanguard Motor Sales. Got one of my favorites right here, F-150 1977, 351 under the hood. Man, I'll tell you what, these are as hot as fire right now. Just an amazing truck. Now, most of these trucks had to go to work every day and they got worn out and put away. Not this one. This baby was taken care of, restored, and she looks absolutely gorgeous. You can see that grill's in beautiful shape. It looks brand new. That front bumper also looks brand new. Just gorgeous. Of course, it's the dent side. All of the trim here has all been polished up, looking sweet. I really love the two-tone, the red and black together. Just looks badass. She is absolutely gorgeous. You can see that the truck does have a lift kit on it. We'll get this door open and check out the interior. Look in there, all black. Just what you want. Amazing piece right here. It's an automatic, so pop this baby in gear and mash on the accelerator and away you go. Of course, I'd have to take it out mudding. I love driving these babies around in the mud and the crud, up and down the mountains, out in the river, wherever you can go. Then, of course, you got to go home and clean it up because this thing is so beautiful. Have a lot of fun with this truck. There's a bed liner in it. Bed liner's looking good. Got this diamond plate up here on the top edge. You don't have to worry about messing up your truck. Looks like a brand new step bumper out back. Then all of this trim here is also polished up. I tell you what, take this baby to the show, win some trophies. She's a beauty. Look down that passenger side. Really love the stance of this baby. Look at that. One gorgeous piece right here. And at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment. That means we own this Ford truck. So you know, we spent our time, picked it out. Then the first thing that we do to every vehicle here at Vanguard is they go up on the lift and they get checked out and inspected. And then we take our pictures, do our video and everything, so we can show you exactly what the dream we're gonna park in your driveway looks like, top, bottom, inside, and out. Now, if you wanna check out about 100 pictures of this truck, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. And if you wanna see more cool videos just like this, make sure you subscribe to our channel on the YouTube page and hit the little button so you get a notification every time we post a new video. All right, here we go in the 77. Four-wheel drive. Black and red, looking sweet. I'll tell you one thing that impresses me with this truck too is, watch this. The turning radius on this big sucker. Now normally you would not expect a great big old jacked up big tire truck to be able to do this. Isn't this neat? Turning around right in the street, doing a donut. Isn't that neat? Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this donut doing truck anywhere you want. Anywhere in the world, just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Now Tom answers his phone 7 days a week and practically 24 hours a day. So you can call him anytime and he'll hook you up with all the information you need about the truck, about shipping, about financing, Anything you want, Tom will take care of you. And don't forget, he answers his phone 7 days a week and almost 24 hours a day. So you can call him anytime you'd like. Tell you, the truck has got a fantastic sound to it. I love the exhaust system on it. Sounding sweet. Driving great too for a big old jacked up truck. Look at that. No hands on the wheel, going straight down the road, no problem. Hitting the brakes, stopping nice and straight with no hands on the wheel. Tell you, I love the way it sounds. You can see down here on the dash, the speedometer is working. It's bouncing just a tiny bit, and we do have the tach working, and then we have a 3-pack of gauges underneath the dash, and it does have an aftermarket radio in it. And then of course somebody's put the Cobra on the dash too. Of course there isn't anything Cobra about this besides it being a Ford. Kel Shelby may have pulled a few Cobras around with a big old Ford like this back in the day, you never know. Heading out to the racetrack, whip some Ferrari's butt. Now we are about to do something that nobody does to all their vehicles. At Vanguard, every vehicle goes up on the lift so we can show you what the bottom side looks like. Then we get the hood up, check out what's going on under the hood, and show you everything you want to see. And if you want any close-up pictures of any particular area, don't hesitate to ask. Tommy will get those for you. Give him a call anytime. Now, we do love to have our customers come in and check out the cars and trucks in person. As a matter of fact, there goes one of our Chevelles out on a test drive right now. That's JD. That's the head of the detail department. We're coming up on our shop right now. We're at 15100 Keel Street, Plymouth, Michigan. I don't think I finished my statement there. Hey, we got the airport's real close here too. If you want to fly in, you need to. If you want to send an inspector, no problem. Just give us a call. Stick with us. We're going in the air right now. All right, we're underneath the truck now. As you can see, that bumper looks new. It does have a receiver style hitch on it. You can see the exhaust is tucked up in here nice and neat. Real nice job. It's got the real nice hangers on it also. We got a 350 gear in the rear end here. Looks like new shocks, of course, probably when they put the lift kit on. Looks like this thing has probably got, looks like about a 3-inch lift on it. Everything under here is looking nice and sweet. Really nice. They welded the mufflers together so you don't have to worry about them rattling. Back sides of the bed sides look good. Cab corners look good. Cab floor looks good. Of course, the stock transfer case. The truck does have headers on it. Looks like a C6 transmission up in there. Of course, disc brakes up front. Same gear ratio up front here also. It's got a steering stabilizer on it. Front bumper looks like it's brand new. Guys will check out all the steering gear, make sure it's in good working order. We got some monster mutter tires here. Let's see. Oh, the size has got to be on here somewhere. There it is. I went right by it. These are 33 by 12.5 by 15s on what look like brand new aluminum rims, and then it's got the worn lockout hubs. You can see the paintwork even on the bottom side of the fender and the door looking sweet. And out back here, of course, they're the same size, 31, 12.5 by 15. And then the exhaust coming right out here on the side. You can see that that brand new bumper's been, all the hardware's brand new on here also. Well, let's get under the hood. All right, we're under the hood now, and as you can see, everything under here has been cleaned up nice. Looks like it's got MSD firepower here. We got the MSD box over there by the master cylinder. It's got a 650 Holley. It is vacuum secondaries. It is dual feed. Chrome valve covers here. Truck does have headers on it. Everything under here has been cleaned up nicely. looking good. It does have power steering, power brakes. Looks like the radiator's a rebuilt unit. Looks like it's got a brand new battery in it, and then it's got one of those guillotine style shut-offs so you can shut the battery off when you're not using the truck. I mean, everything under here looks great. Everything under the truck looks great. She's a beautiful truck, guys. So give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.